Hi foodies, welcome to Sip Slurp Soup Series episode number 1. Let's make super creamy pumpkin soup along with knowing the health benefits too.
Yellow pumpkin is highly loaded with fiber and according to Ayurveda, it's very balancing for all doshas, especially Pitta. Let's make a soup with it. To a heavy bottomed pan, add a tablespoon of butter. You can substitute it with oil as well. Once it melts, add an inch-size cinnamon, a bay leaf, 4 garlic pods and 1 chopped onion. Saute it very well for a minute and then add salt to taste. Mix well and add adequate chili powder to it. It's time to mix in 200 grams of pumpkin that's been cubed and 1 carrot sliced. This bright orange colored vegetables are both rich in beta carotene and it's really good for your eyes. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add in 2 cups of water to it. Cover it with a lid and simmer until the veggies get softened, maybe up to 10 minutes. Once the veggies get softened, blend it into a fine puree. Again, pour the puree into a kadai and add 3/4 cup of milk or cream. If you want it rich, add cream to it or you can add milk. I'm adding milk here.
You can add more or less milk based on the thickness you prefer to.
Add some oregano for nice aroma. Now since I added milk, I'm adding some butter to add that richness to the soup. If you added cream, you can skip this butter.
Wait for the butter to melt and that's it.
Sprinkle some pepper and your pumpkin soup is ready to serve. This is such a creamy filling soup and you can just have it topped it up with some pumpkin seeds. And for the side you can have the freshly roasted garlic bread which makes it a complete package.
Sip, slurp and enjoy. Bye.